3, start.
Hi, I am Pushpra Singh Chauhan from Core Nurturing Uttarakhand Power Plant. This is our setup. We have made it to utilize the natural resources as sun so that we can conserve our non-renewable resources. For that, we have planted here a solar panel heater by which we can just heat up our water supply so that we can save as much as energy we can. That is the resources we are getting from hydropower electricity, NTPC, thermal powers and gas power plants. The main process for heating up with this, we are getting a natural water that is coming from some power supply, that is a tank that is going as an inlet in these tubes. These tubes are connected in a series. Suppose the water is coming, the fresh water is coming from this first pipe and that is going inlet. Continuously it is moving from top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom, and it is getting heated over for a degrees of centigrade. Then it is coming back by another outlet that is coming up from here and going to a reservoir. This reservoir is an insulated reservoir where we are capturing that the hot water, and the temperature here, it can be maintained up to 100 degrees or near about 60 to 100 degrees centigrade. There were two pipes. One is from the bottom of this tank, another one is from the top of this tank. As we know that some of the phenomena, that's the cold water, that's the cold air and the hot air.